In this video, I'll show you how to buy a CapCut Team subscription step by step. First, you can go to the CapCut website or download the app on your phone or computer. After opening the app, log into your account. Once logged in, you will see the CapCut home screen. At the top, look for the Pro or Upgrade to Pro option. Click this option to view the available plans. Now select Choose Plan. Here you will see different subscription options. For example, monthly, yearly, and the Teams option. Choose the 4 Teams plan. Now click Continue or Renew the subscription. CapCut will display the required permissions. After that, follow the steps to add your payment method. Check the standard subscription price. Now confirm the purchase. After confirmation, your CapCut Team subscription will be activated.